Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
Have you heard of people making money with cryptocurrency? It's true. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, and many individuals have found ways to profit from this digital gold rush. You can earn money with crypto too. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, there are opportunities for everyone. From trading to staking, the possibilities are endless. This guide will show you how to make $1,000 each month. We'll cover everything step by step. You'll learn the basics and advanced strategies to maximize your earnings. Get ready to learn about wallets, investing, and more. We'll dive into the different types of wallets, how to secure your assets, and the best practices for managing your investments. Let's get started. It's important to remember that cryptocurrencies can be volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in a short period, which can be both an opportunity and a risk. This means their prices can go up and down quickly. Understanding market trends and staying informed is crucial to navigating this volatility. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. It's essential to set a budget and stick to it. Never let emotions drive your investment decisions. Always do your own research before investing. Educate yourself about the different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and the teams behind them. Knowledge is power in the world of crypto. Before you buy cryptocurrency, you need a safe place to keep it. This is crucial because, unlike traditional money, cryptocurrency is entirely digital and decentralized. This is where a crypto wallet comes in. A crypto wallet is a tool that allows you to interact with the blockchain network. Think of it like your digital wallet for crypto. It stores your private and public keys and interacts with various blockchains to enable you to send and receive digital currency. There are two main types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Each serves a different purpose and offers varying levels of security and convenience. Hot wallets are like your everyday wallet. They are always connected to the internet, making them highly accessible for daily transactions. They are connected to the internet, making transactions easy and quick. This is ideal for those who trade frequently or need to make regular payments. They are convenient for frequent trading. However, this convenience comes with a trade-off in security. Examples include Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask. These wallets are user-friendly and offer a range of features to help you manage your crypto assets. Cold wallets are like your savings account at the bank. They are not connected to the internet, which makes them much more secure. They offer more security because they are not always online. This makes them less vulnerable to hacking and other online threats. They are best for storing large amounts of crypto that you don't plan to trade frequently. If you are holding your crypto as a long-term investment, a cold wallet is the way to go. Examples include Ledger and Trezor hardware wallets. These devices are known for their robust security features and are trusted by many in the crypto community. Now let's talk about what to invest in. The world of cryptocurrencies can be overwhelming with so many options available. It's crucial to understand the different types of cryptocurrencies and their purposes before making any investment decisions. There are many cryptocurrencies, each with its own purpose. Some are designed for transactions, others for smart contracts, and some for decentralized finance. Knowing the purpose of each can help you make informed choices. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, is primarily used as a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a platform for building decentralized applications. Bitcoin is like digital gold. While Ethereum powers many applications, Ethereum's smart contract functionality allows developers to create a wide range of decentralized applications, from finance to gaming. Stablecoins are pegged to the value of a stable asset like the US dollar. They offer a way to avoid the volatility often associated with cryptocurrencies, making them a safer option for those new to the market. They offer price stability, which is great for beginners. Stablecoins can be used for everyday transactions and as a hedge against market volatility. Consider investing in DeFi tokens too. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is an innovative sector that aims to recreate traditional financial systems using blockchain technology. These are used in decentralized finance, a growing area in crypto. DeFi tokens can be used for lending, borrowing, and earning interest, offering new opportunities for investors. When deciding how much to invest, remember to diversify. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies, you can protect yourself against the potential failure of any single asset. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrencies. This strategy can help you take advantage of the growth potential in different areas of the crypto market, from established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging DeFi tokens and stablecoins. Staking is a way to earn passive income with your crypto. It's like earning interest on a savings account, but with potentially higher returns. When you stake, you lock up your crypto to support the network's security. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance offer staking services. You can earn a percentage yield on your staked crypto. The returns vary depending on the platform and the cryptocurrency you stake. Section 5. Exploring DeFi for higher returns. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is like the future of finance. It's built on blockchain technology, just like cryptocurrencies. DeFi platforms allow you to lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto without a bank. You can use platforms like Aave and Compound to lend your crypto and earn interest. These platforms are open 24/7. However, DeFi can be complex and risky. It's important to understand how it works before investing. Section 6. Trading cryptocurrencies, risks and rewards. Trading cryptocurrencies can be exciting but also risky. It involves buying and selling crypto to profit from price changes. You can trade on exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Start with small trades and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Analyze market trends and learn about technical analysis to make informed trading decisions. Section 7. Maximizing earnings with referral programs. Many cryptocurrency platforms offer referral programs. You can earn rewards by inviting your friends to join. When they sign up and trade, you get a commission. Share your referral link on social media or with friends interested in crypto. Some platforms offer bonuses for reaching certain referral milestones. Section 8. Tracking your crypto investments. Keeping track of your investments is crucial. You need to know how your portfolio is performing. Use tools like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to track your portfolio in real time. Monitor your investments regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. If a particular cryptocurrency is not performing well, consider diversifying into other assets. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to $1,000 a month. Earning $1,000 a month with cryptocurrency is achievable. It requires careful planning, research, and a bit of patience. Remember to start with a secure wallet, choose your cryptocurrencies wisely, and explore different earning opportunities. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. The world of crypto is constantly evolving. Stay informed, be cautious, and never stop learning. Now go make that money. In this video, we have explored various ways to earn $1,000 a month with cryptocurrency. From setting up your crypto wallet to choosing the right cryptocurrencies, staking for passive income, exploring DeFi for higher returns, understanding the risks and rewards, maximizing earnings with referral programs, and tracking your investments. Each step is crucial in your journey to financial freedom with cryptocurrency. Remember, the key is to stay informed, be patient, and make smart decisions. But your journey doesn't end here. Now let's talk about the importance of community and continuous learning. Engaging with the crypto community can provide you with invaluable insights and support. Join online forums, participate in webinars, and follow reputable influencers. Sharing experiences and learning from others can help you stay ahead of the curve. Additionally, continuous learning is essential in the ever-changing world of crypto. Regularly update your knowledge by reading articles, watching tutorials, and taking courses. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and adapt to new trends. So, immerse yourself in the community, keep learning, and never stop exploring new opportunities. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve and even surpass your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy investing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, like the video, and write a comment for all inquiries.